Alright guys, so we're rolling through Breezewood Proving Grounds here. We are on our way to the Woods Loop, which supposedly they'd cut in for this weekend only for the Yamaha demo. We wanted to go ahead and get a loop in on it on our bikes so we were familiar with the loop before we take the demos out there. Well, little did we know and little did the Yamaha demo crew know, this loop was cut in about a week before and they had been letting people ride on it all week. And letting people ride on it, this day, and it had become pure powder. So we did the loop on our bikes, and about a half hour later, about 15 minutes into the Yamaha demos, actually Yamaha just pulled the plug and said, we can't ride on this, we'll be changing air filters every 15 minutes. So, it's a cool little loop. It could have been fun to test out some bikes on, but it just baked in the sun all week. They let people ride it just a little too much, so Tyler actually had to fall back from me a little bit, and he said he still couldn't see anything hardly, so yeah, just ride me through this loop here, and thanks for watching.
Tyler's back behind me, but he's having to hang back because of this dust. They can't fit the water truck out here. Dang, some of those trees are low. My recluse. Well, not a bad loop. I just wish it had more moisture in it. See where Tyler's at here. There he is.
Pretty garbage.
Yeah, it's just too powdery.
Yeah.
They made it just for this demo.
Oh.
That's why the signs say this weekend only.
I got you.
See, online it just said this was a motocross demo. It didn't say anything about off-road.
Right. Yeah, you can tell it's fresh.
Yeah. I guess I'm just gonna go pop on the advanced track and...
Intermediate might be done. The water truck came off.
Yeah.
We can. Looks like people are going slow on in.
Yeah, it does.